So yes, we're in Bloody Bay at Sherlands Nature Park. That's a resident down there. And this is our mini farm. Hit the goats here. Yes. And then I'm walking up to the hummingbirds sanctuary up here. And here we got the Balizé, national flower. I've just went there and I got some soursop ice cream. Yep. Soursop tree, cashew tree, sapodilla tree again, pomarac tree, soursop, little papaya up there. And here we are at Sherlands Nature Park. So that's the entrance fee here, and that's the spot there. So book your tours for the rainforest here. Alright. So as you can see, this is a new construction area. New lookout. It's very nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna take you upstairs and show you around a little. So there's a lot of improvement from the last time we came. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, so yes, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, so here we go. Oh, his nice decks. Oh man, look at this. Oh my God, you can't beat this.
Yes, sir.
So this is the view from Sherlands Nature Park deck. All the wood come from this forest. Yep. Wow, and the breeze here, man, is so. Yeah, so that's what we got from Sherlands Nature Park here today. Yeah. So we'll end this video after I show you the welcome to Bloody Bay sign here. I ain't going now. Yeah, so that's just a view I was showing off in Sherlands Nature Park today. Alright.